My name is Janice Rumschlag. I've lived here since October of 2020. So before this was a wall. You had no idea that there was a window back there. I'd been living in the house for about 6 months, and I went outside in the spring to do some weeding. And because I was on the very side of the house, I looked up and saw the window from the side, and it was moldy and gross, but it was definitely a stained glass window. I hired Mulligan Stained Glass company, and they came out. They had a big ladder back here, and it was a team of two, but they had to cut out all this plaster. He even was this is really thick plaster for a window. And they had built the trim to match the original, and they also made for me an old school storm window. It really should never have been covered up. It's so pretty. My house is the only one on this block that still has their stained glass window. Everyone else has glass block or bricks. But also I work right here. I work from home, so I actually have light now in this corner of the room, which is really nice. So I look good in video calls. That's really what it was all about.